Lots of glass in the living room. 3 windows. But on the south side, there's a cathedral sunroom. The design is all open living. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. Light and bright, in addition to all the glass that brings in the sunshine. A Harmon pellet stove helps warm things up too. There's a breakfast bar. All the kitchen appliances stay. The cabinets wrap right around you. That's good workspace. Here's your formal dining room. You don't just have one way to go into the living room and down the hall. It's an open design, remember? Quick occupancy. You'd be only the 3rd owner. Here's your cathedral ceiling sunroom or den. Talk about glass. Morning sun comes in one side, afternoon sun on the other, all day long the southern exposure. 6 windows and a single French door. There's a storage shed, an attached garage with a power door. There's an outside entrance to the cellar that's dry. You have cement walls and a workshop area. Let's trot down the hall. See the bath and a half. The half-bath laundry could be a full bath. Just remove the closet. And here's another closet. You don't get a lot of trick-or-treaters, but if you did, that's the door they'd come in, on the front of the home in the country. Want more than a half-bath laundry? You can do it. Like the main bath across the hall, there's some ceramic. There's a lot more on the walls in the main bath. Plenty of room for a shower. Take that closet out, or make these stackable, or just tighten up the space. And if that door is shut, someone's occupying that area, here's another bathroom. Lots of counter space to get pretty in the morning. Lots of cabinetry and lots of tile. Tub and shower. Large mirror. Lots of tile. Linen area too, or a medicine cabinet. 2 bedrooms. A whole wall of mirrored closets. Triple size. Almost double size. See how you look before you take off. Another fan light. Come out of that bedroom, and there's no wasted hall. More mirrored closets. Light colored walls. Your garage is a car and a half. Plus there's a gambrel storage space. A storage shed. And there's a deck. Please subscribe to our channel. I hope you like this video and make comments down below, because the questions you're thinking, someone else in the audience wants you to ask them, so they'll get the answers too. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. Go down below for the link to more information about this Hodgdon, Maine, Aroostook County home for sale.